Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ConvertKit step by step clearly. Visit the ConvertKit website by typing convertkit.com into your browser's address bar. Click on the Start Free Trial button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields with your email address, full name, and a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from ConvertKit. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the ConvertKit website and log in using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Select the Create a New Form option. Choose the type of form you want to create, such as a landing page or embedded form. Customize the form by adding your branding, colors, and any additional fields you want to include. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Save button. Next, navigate to the Automations tab. Click on the Create Automation button to set up your email sequences. Add email sequences by clicking on the plus icon and composing your welcome or follow-up emails. After all sequences are added, click Save. Now, head over to the Email tab to create your first broadcast email. Click the Create Email button and fill in the subject line and body of the email. Once you are done, click Preview to check how it looks. If everything looks good, select your audience and hit the Send button. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up ConvertKit for your email marketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.